Hi, Kangen Cougars. It's Miss Salamoni. Today I'm going to teach you a fun math game to play at home. This math game, you'll need a deck of cards again. And I have my partner here. It could be a two-person game. This is my partner, Winston. So he's going to help me out today. In this game, you can take out all of the cards with faces, or you could give them a new number by just adding a sticky note to them. So if you wanted to give the queen a new number, you would just put a sticky note on it and write a new number for the queens or the jacks and the jokers and kings or however. But I didn't do that yet on mine, but that's something you can do. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to teach you two versions of the same game. So the first one is regular Top It. So what you're going to do is take your cards, you're going to shuffle them up, and then you're going to give half of the cards to your partner and the other half to you. So an easy way to do it is just to split them in half and then see if they're about the same. So those are about the same. So these are Winston's cards and these are my cards. And at the same time, Winston and I would flip over our cards and to see who has the bigger number. So Winston got a 3 and I got a 10. So mine would be bigger and I would take those. And you keep playing until there's no more cards left. 1 and 6. 6 is bigger. Winston got those. So you're going to keep playing until there's no more cards left and the person with the most matches wins at the end of the game. Well, I also have another game you can play doing the same type of thing, but it makes it a little bit trickier, and it's working with addition skills. So this is called Addition Top It. So what you're going to do is instead of just pulling out one card from your deck, you're going to pull out two. So in same rules, break the cards in half, and you have your partner's deck of cards and your deck of cards, and what you're going to do is you're going to pull out two cards at a time. So I'm going to pull out, I have a 10 and a 3. And Winston has an ace, so a 1, and a 6. So I'm going to have to add my two numbers together, and then Winston would add his two numbers together, and we would figure out who has the bigger total, the bigger sum. So I know that 10 plus 3, the sum of 10 plus 3 is 13. And then the sum of, the sum of 1 plus 6 is 7. So 13 is bigger than 7, so I would get those cards. And then you keep playing, so you flip over two cards out of your own deck. So Winston got 5 and 7, and I have 8 and 7. One good strategy is if you don't know what the number is, what you can do is use the hearts or the symbol on your card. So if I didn't know what 8 plus 7 was on the top of my head, I can go, okay, well, 8, and I'm going to count the hearts here. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, so 8 plus 7 is, the sum is 15. And then the same thing over here, I could do the same type of strategy. I have 7, and this is 5. Well, I'm going to start with a bigger number, so I go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again, Winston, I have the bigger number. Sorry. So I take the cards and I put them over in my pile. The game is over when there's no more cards left in the deck, and then whoever has the most amount of cards is the winner. So this is a great adding game and fact practice. You're going to be using your strategies of counting on. You can use the pictures on the cards. You could also make yourself a number line or use a number grid too. I hope you have a fun time playing this game with your friends and family. Bye!